Today is January 24th, 2012. The unit that we're studying is Russia. The guiding question, an essential question, is what is a successful country, and can communism itself be successful? Now, some of you may be asking, how come it's been so long? Why, Mr. Dye, have you not posted anything on the YouTube channel? And the answer that I could say is because I'm lazy and I just don't want to do it. Or the real answer could be because we haven't taken notes, so there really wasn't anything that I could post here. Now, as I say that, make sure that you check My Big Campus on the website, and then you can get any handouts that we do in class as long as they're not copyrighted and things like that. You can get any of those handouts directly from the My Big Campus site, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. So, what I want you to go through here is just kind of what we did in class. The Russian Revolution and Communist Manifesto were the things we focused on. The I can statements are listed here. I can understand the events and circumstances that led to the Russian Revolution. I can also understand the introduction, justification, and the need for the Communist Manifesto. We worked on the worksheets from last week. We already did the vocabulary side, and the independent work was over Chapter 15, Section 1. When they were finished, this is the instruction component. They turned in work to the trays. Then we went over that quiz from yesterday. There were 22 questions, and I told them they only had to know the first 21 to review for the test on Friday. Then we distributed the Communist Manifesto. They read for about 10 minutes, and then we did a PowerPoint over the Communist Manifesto, which I'll do here. We did not get to this bottom part about Walter Williams. So what I'm using is the file that you can actually download from the My Big Campus site here. Communist Manifesto, we've talked about the purpose of the Communist Manifesto. They need to write down both of those. Just this title here, that all of history, when you study history, is a class struggle. And then this just shows you throughout different periods of history what that class struggle or what the class struggles, the different classes were when they were struggling. Again, this is all from the reading that we did in class. We talked about the two classes in today's terms, bourgeoisie and the proletariat, and who they were, why there were so many workers, especially the proletariat class, why we consume, and then there was this video on YouTube. You can plug that in and take a look at it if you'd like. And then how the bourgeoisie actually then will kind of leapfrog over the government class, and they'll start making decisions. The government works for them. Getting kind of to the point of this question that I asked some of the classes. Some classes didn't quite get to it, but just something more for a reflection component. Those were the notes, at least for today. Then, this part, when you log into My Big Campus, and everybody should know how to do that, it's logging in exactly as you log into the school computers through the mybigcampus.com website. When you click here on Geography, History of the World, it'll take you to a site that looks like this. Go over to Resources, click on Resources, go to Russia, click on the Russia folder, and then wait. And then wait some more. And then Curse Technology. There it is. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all these videos. This is a YouTube video like the one that's posted here. This is another YouTube video because those are the days that we took notes. Peter the Great, this is a bell ringer activity that we did. This is the video of Peter the Great. This is the quiz that we took over Peter the Great. The map work that we did, this is on the 9th. And if you scroll down, you'll see all this. These are all of the, right from the Columbia Encyclopedia website, these are all of the documents that we read, and then the questions that went with it. Lenin, Trotsky, and the questions that went with it, etc. But if you scroll down, this right here, the Manifesto of the Communist Party Notes 1, would be the notes that we took in class today. That 12-page assignment that everybody complained about the Russian Revolution, is located here. The Choices graphic organizer goes with that here. I don't know why you don't have these in a more chronological order. I'll still try to figure that out. That's why I wanted to take time to show you all of this. And then a focused reading, again, things that didn't go over especially well, but that focused reading template is there as well. So all the information that you need will be here. Now remember, on Thursday, when I update this again, when you go into schoolwork and you click on schoolwork here, there will be assignments here. Now you're not going to have all this kind of stuff. You'll see assigned, assigned to you. That's what you'll see. And then all of that information, it'll be listed there, and it'll say practice test or something along those lines. Russia practice test 2, something like that. And then you can go ahead and take that, and it will tell you which ones you got right, which ones you got wrong, and really hopefully help you a great deal for the test on Friday. So I feel like, since I haven't posted for a long time, I can babble on and on for almost 6 minutes. So those of you that are still with me, thank you. Also on Twitter, I posted that you can have some extra credit by bringing in a box of tissue on Friday. Don't bring it tomorrow. Don't bring it Thursday, because we're going to the media center and I don't want to have 300 boxes of Kleenexes I have to bring all the way upstairs. So just make sure you bring those on Friday, and I'll put those in the grade book, unlike the Twitter bonus that Nick, you know who I'm talking about, was so nice to point out that I forgot to put in. But I'll take care of that this weekend as well. Thank you very much. Now it's 6:18, 6:19. I'm going too long. Thanks.